Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from TikTok. So if you want to save your TikTok video, but then as you know, if you directly save it on TikTok, it will show the TikTok watermark attached on the video. So how you can remove that, you can just follow my steps right here. So first, let's just find the TikTok video that you want to save. For example, in here, I'm going to just use my TikTok video. So I'm going to go to my profile. And let's say I want to download this TikTok videos right here. So what you need to do is just click on the three dots icon and then just copy the link. So don't click on save video but copy the link. Okay, after the link has been copied, you can just go back to your home screen and then open your browser, and in here you can just find this TikTok video download no watermark. Okay, you can, you can hit on enter, and you'll find lots of TikTok video downloader that you can use to save a TikTok video without watermark. So just choose which one that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one, the TikTok downloader. Now you can just paste the link that you the copy before, and then tap on download. And now you can see these are the option, and this is the preview. Now what you need to do is just click on this without watermark option and close this ad, and then the video will be downloading. You can see the progress under the downloads in here on your browser. Just wait until the download process is done. Okay, it will be done in seconds. Let's just wait. Okay, so now the video has been downloaded. You can see the result on your album, on your phone, and you can just play it in here. And as you guys can see that there's no watermark attached on the video. So that's how you can remove and download a TikTok video without watermark. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.